How to play eFootball with PS4 controller on iPad. In this video, I'm going to explain how to play eFootball with a PS4 controller on your iPad. Start by making sure that your iPad is running a compatible version of iOS. To connect your PS4 controller, press and hold the Share and PS button on the controller under the light bar until the light bar flashes. On your iPad, open the Settings app. Tap on Bluetooth and wait for the PS4 controller to appear in the list of available devices. Now tap on the controller to pair it with your iPad once it appears. Once paired, open the eFootball and start playing. The PS4 controller should work automatically with the game. You might need to tweak some settings in the game if the controller doesn't work right away. If you encounter any issues, make sure your iPad is up to date with the latest iOS version and that the controller's battery is sufficiently charged. And that's how you play eFootball with a PS4 controller on your iPad.